What's going on, guys? Today, very excited to be here because I just came back from waiting 3 hours at Target in line all the way at night, 5 to 8 p.m. and 10 a.m. to get what I'm about to open today. Because if you don't already know, I don't know, this is happening in Florida. I don't know if it's happening anywhere else. Target's doing a rule every Friday at 8 a.m. That's when they stock their cards, everything. Not just going to drop them anytime. Not going to be random. 8 a.m. every Friday. So when you got people sitting out there, 4 a.m., I'm going to have to start going earlier. Just to get cards. I mean, if you're not, I was 6th place today, right? I'm just going to talk really fast so I can get to the opening. 6th place today. And as you can tell, I got all this today. Last to get it. There's about 50, I don't know why I said 50, 30 people there. I was at 6. I got to the last of the sports cards. You know what all those other people feeling right now? Like imagine going up there waiting 2 hours. You pull it with one little small pack of Donruss. That's just toxic, bro. Now playing franchise, Joel. And a rated rookie, Dini. Oh, 2 rated rookies. Dini Avdija. And a Nico Okengwa. Not how to pronounce that. Not a LaMelo, though. Obviously. We're looking for that LaMelo ball. Andrew Wiggins. Kevin Love. Lonnie. Is that number 5? Jesus. Gotta change up the name of him. All-time league leader is Oscar Robertson. And a rated rookie, Malachi Fenn. There's 2. RJ Hampton, rated rookie. Why do I feel like I've heard the name RJ Hampton before? That's not a rookie. But anyways, those packs kind of sucked. We're on the big packs, fat packs. Look for exclusive holo greens and yellow lasers. 30 cards in here, big little stat. I've actually never opened up Donruss either. I'll use Donruss. The new Donruss basketball. Dwayne. Hopefully we can get something here though. I don't want to go out with nothing. You know, we ain't feeling that. Sharkback channel, we only pulled dubs. If you didn't know. Only dubs. Only hit the chase cards. No L's, Victor. No L's. A lot of just normal base cards there. That kind of sucks. Another franchise, though. Darius Garland. Whoa, what is this? Cole Anthony, rookie. Magic Expectations. Great Expectations. That's pretty cool looking card. Got the rookie symbol. Gary Harris. What is this called? The yellow laser? Yeah. Holo green. Yep, yeah. Not a rookie, though. That looks pretty cool. See how they're coming out. Tyrese, rated rookie. Rated rookie. Kyra Lewis Jr. Oh, no way. Like, how do you do that? Look at this. Nice. Another Cole Anthony, rated rookie, and rated rookie, Aaron Smith. Bro. How are you going to give me 2 of these same rated rookie back-to-back, bro? What? Yo, what is going on here? How are you gonna do me like that, bro? Why can't you give me 2 LaMelo rated rookies back-to-back? Anthony Edwards back-to-back. Like, what? Look, he's probably one of the top guys I don't know. Just kidding, he's definitely not. So I'm gonna go through these pretty fast because they're just base cards. You know, no one wants to see base cards. Hopefully we can get something good out of these, bro. Nicole Jokic, Power in the Paint. Print. Whoa, LeBron James. LeBron James, Complete Players. They got a lot of different. Tyrese Halliburton, rated rookie, yellow. Not the LaMelo we're looking for. Jalen Smith, he looks goofy, bro. I'm sorry. Devin Vassell, rated rookie. Another Tyrese, rated rookie. That guy again, and a Killing Hayes. Oh no. Oh no. Hold on, let me pull these up. These are 2 yellows. Gary Harris, rated rookie Tyrese. That was not very good 4-packs there. I may have lied about only taking dubs out here. We just took an L. We just took an L. And I don't know if I want to open these. No, these are 20 bucks. You can sell them for 200 right now. 40, 400. These are going for like 75 each, 140. So I don't think I'm going to open those. Just the small packs. We got nothing. What can you do? Anyways, thank you for watching.